all. It's been a very long time. Today I am in Puttur. It's my dad's native. So here there are some people also. If you can find, they just ran away. It's my younger brother and one of my sister. So today we are going to Thodikana. It's a small town in Sulya Taluk, and there's a small temple called Mallikarjuna temple. So let's go. I have also not been to this temple. It's famous for the fishes there. And now I'm in Puttur and will be leaving in a few hours from here. Okay, see you all there. So I've come to my grandma's house. In Kannada we call it Taravadu mane. Idu nanna tandeya Taravadna mane. Hage, if you can see here. So if you can see here, this is Nagabana. ಇದು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ರಿನೋವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆಂದ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ತರವಾಡಿನ ಮನೆ, ಭಜನಿಗುತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದು ದೈವಸ್ಥಾನ. ನೀವು ಕಾಂತಾರ ಮೂವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಭೂತಕೊಲ್ಲದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಭೂತಕೊಲ್ಲ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆನ್ ದ ವೇ ಟು ಸುಳ್ಯ ವಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ someone's property, so we can't enter this, but then it's quite very beautiful. So I just stopped the vehicle here and took a video. The temple, so you can see this is the temple. This is Thodikana temple and it is famous for the fishes feeding on the raw rice. Buy some food for the fish. So this temple was built in the 13th century. And there is a place called Meenugundi where there are a lot of fishes. You can see a lot of paintings here from the Vedic period. ಮುಂದಾದ ಮೀನು ನಿಮಿಷಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ ಮೀನು. We reached the DEVARAGUNDI Falls. So it is called as DEVARAGUNDI because the depth of the water is unknown, it seems. They say that only God knows the depth of the water. There are a lot of deaths that have happened here. So it is prohibited to get into the water here. Also, it is not open for tourists or group travelers. So if you are a local, then there's no problem if you can speak the local language and then manage. But again, groups are not allowed. So it's actually too much to walk here, and it's quite steep also, not meant for parents to come, and they're already scolding me right now. The angry face, you can see all the angry faces there close up. ಇನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಉಂಟಾ ನಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸಿಗೆ? ಹೌದಾ? This was a wrong choice of place with the parents. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬೇಡ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಉಂಟು ನಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೊಟಾನಿಕಲ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ. ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅಡಿಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಕಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೋಗುವ, ನೋಡುವ ಎಂತ ಉಂಟು, ಹೇಗೆ ಉಂಟು ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಮುರ್ದ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ ಇತ್ತು ಈ ಟ್ರೆಕ್, ಆದರೆ ಸಹ ನೋಡುವ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೋಗುವ. ನನಗಾದರೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಸ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಭಯಂಕರ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ, ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ದಾರಿ. ಫೈನಲಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. You can see the falls. Wow, that's a beautiful one. At the falls ata. Visited the DEVARAGUNDI falls and we are heading back. I couldn't walk on the slippery rocks there because I already have a fracture and couldn't. So this waterfall is a part of Bhagamandala in Madikeri. So this is in the border of Sulya Madikeri. Heading back from our waterfall trek right now, and we will be back soon with another vlog, and I'll meet you all in the next vlog. Until then, take care and bye.